Hi everybody. I've seen a number of people posting about or asking questions about how to mirror or flip, STL files, whatever that they've downloaded that they want to use. For example, a dash component from a left-hand drive car and converting it to go into a right-hand drive car, and it is very easy to do. So rather than trying to explain it, and as I need to do this, and I'm creating this video series on recreating a Jaguar part from a footwell. You can see this one's got a big crack in it, and I've scanned it to get the shape. Anyway, I will go through more about that in another video, but I'm recreating this part, and as part of that process, I need to mirror it and flip it because there's one on each side of the in each footwell. So I scanned that and then totally recreated it using forms in and a bunch of other stuff in Fusion 360. But I've got more experience in Blender. I could have done it in that too, but I wanted the accuracy of Fusion. Anyway, it's really simple. Select your part that you want to mirror. Go to Create and Mirror. Select the plane. In this, I'm going to go here. Don't join them if you want two separate parts. So we'll change that to be a new body. Hit OK. Bam, I now have two parts, as you can see. If I just move this one out of the way, you can see that, just going to finish that off, it's not quite, but anyway, you can see that I've made a mirror, and then you can, if I hide the first one, you can easily see, there it is, there's the part. Just export that and print. Now if you don't have the CAD file, or can't modify it or whatever in Fusion, you can always do it the same thing effectively in Blender. So this is the STL export. So if you just have an STL file or an OBJ or an FBX or whatever it is that you got, you can just bring it into Blender, Shift D to duplicate, left click to place it where you want it so it's out of the way, and then Control M. That's done. Control M to mirror it, and I'm going to mirror it in that's Z, X-axis. When you're done with that, hit Enter, and as you can see, I now have two parts, including a mirrored component. So there we go. Then you can just again export that as a new STL file, slap it on your 3D printer, and Bob's your uncle. I hope that has helped, and I will be posting a whole heap of videos coming soon, from creating a little fishing line carrier for my drone, through to a battery box and a full custom air intake for a highly modified Triumph Stag which has an LS1 engine in it. So stay tuned.